Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create Pinterest content using Canva AI with a traffic strategy. Let's get started. First, open the Canva on your browser. Next, click Create a Design and choose the Pinterest pin. Then here you can use the magic design by entering your topic or uploading an image, and the Canva AI will generate a pin designs for you. Choose a template and customize it by adding a strong headline, eye-catching images, or brand colors and fonts. Make sure that your text is big, clear, and easy to read. Since Pinterest is a visual first, you can also use a magic write to generate SEO-friendly pin titles and descriptions. And for the traffic strategy, include the keywords in your text, clear call to actions, and consistent posting. Once done, download your pin and upload it to Pinterest with your attached link. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.